Can I get a rev limiter? Oh yeah. Dot tape. It's doing good.
Damn, look at the RPM gauge. They're fine.
I want to hear the rev limiter. Can I get a rev limiter? Oh yeah. Oh, I can't get a rev limiter hit.
Who's that? I don't know who that is.
I can't get a rev limiter hit on video. Okay.
Oh shit, she's stuck now.
Yeah.
That's why you don't do that.
It's okay. It's a 4L60.
Yeah, 4L60.
Just gotta let her cool down. She'll be going again. Watch, ready? Boom, we got gears. That's all it takes.
There she went again. Oh, dude. You think I left tread marks back there?
Yeah.
Huh? I definitely left tread marks, didn't I?
All right.
Dude, she went, didn't she?
Oh, yeah, she did, son.
At least Allie can't get mad.
No, it's not at the trailer. All right, we got gear again, son. Oh, it ain't happy. She's in second. Just lost it?
Yeah.
The pump sounds terrible.
Should we try to go up and around the trailer park?
If you want to.
See, she came back into gear. See, she...
It's slipping, but it's going.
Yeah.
Nah, don't floor it. God, the pump sounds awful.
Huh?
That's the pump making that loud noise.
Is it?
Yeah, your pump is shot. Oh, that sounds bad. Did you just lose it?
Yeah.
Dude, that sounds so bad.
People were like, what are y'all fucking doing? I'm like, fuck you.
Should be alright, son. She's a 282,000 mile 5.3. Yeah, I can do that too.
Oh, shit. She won't go in gear.
Look, I can do that too. I can take my key out and it'll stay running. Like, look, he's got the key.
Look.
Yeah.
But you can't
Keys
start
on
it
it.
back up. Like, isn't there supposed to be a light lit up right here?
Turn the key on.
Oh, it is. Okay.
Yeah. We got gears. We... Second gear, son. We need to drive it around some, just around back here. Okay, Keegan, hill.
Huh? What? Me and Jeremiah are out here we're
Finishing off this transmission, son.
yeah, finishing off this transmission. Might as well, right? We're just like messing around my truck, being crazy, doing donuts and stuff.
Beating the fuck out of it because
Yeah.
it's a 5.3.
Yeah, because it's a 5.3 and it's a 4L68. Listen to this shit.
Get out. Way. Ooh, yeah, this thing's got power.
Yeah.
If it had a good transmission, it would eat. The alternator shuts off when it gets high in RPM. That's what Josh's truck does too.
Dude, that motherfucker actually did pretty good.
It did.
It did some pulling. I thought it got shredded on my tires.
Yeah, this is the truck that looks like the Moss Rig, y'all. This is the Moss Rig's brother. Yeah, shine the light at the paint.
You can see it. You can see it.
Yeah, it's fine. Shine the light at the paint.
At the what?
See, it's the Moss Rig's brother. It's just a little more beat up, but
And no transmission.
And the transmission's fucked. I smell that carbon, son. It'll be alright. Alright, we just did the muffler delete.
She sounds better already, don't she? So we just gonna leave that on there?
We could take it out. Alright.
Should we hit the road?
Not here. Yeah, just wait till we get down there.
She don't like to go, does she?
Sounds good, don't it?
Yeah, it does. Until she don't. Of course, on the hill, right? Had to be, right?
God damn.
Oh, shit.
God. It messes with it. Oh. It went.
It did, didn't
It's slipping. That sounded great.
Well, we got up and over that hill, didn't we?
Oh yeah. It makes the same noises my truck makes.
What?
Just random noises. Slow down, bub.
Oh, shit. Yeah, there's a curve here.
Lock her in first.
Huh? It isn't first.
Oh.
There's a cat. Where's she went again, huh?
God.
That transmission sounds bad, don't it? See, when it starts rattling like that, it kicks out of gear. It won't catch.
I think you're what I'm starting to think is fucked up on this thing.
What?
I'm starting to think the sun shell's fucked up. That didn't. Yeah, it did. I wonder what that could be. That makes
What?
it do that though. We need to rebuild this transmission together.
Yeah.
Alright. Keegan's gonna give her the beans. So.
She sounded pretty good, didn't she?
Told you. Damn, I've never heard one in person like that.
Huh?
I've never heard a muffler delete at 6K. That sounds good.
Yours? Yours?
Mine was 5,600.
Oh, really? She-
Transmission got hot.
Hopefully nobody has to get around me.
We got gear. Well, what do you think of the muffler delete?
I mean, I like it, yeah. It sounds good. I'm smoking that transmission.